Alright, there's a lot of eggplant jokes that I'm not gonna make today because this is a respectful channel, especially that I just got married to this very beautiful woman. And today I'm gonna make moutabal, which is like marriage, very simple but very good, something that you can have every single day and never get tired of it. I mean, sometimes it gets better, and if moutabal gets better, you add a little bit of yogurt to it, it gets better. But if your marriage is bitter, I would imagine that being on YouTube is not helping.
We start with about a kilo of eggplants, that's roughly 2 pounds. Make sure to get male eggplants, and you would know them because they have a green circle on the other end, and they have less seeds, and they tend to be also less bitter. Just don't tell the female eggplants that. The best way to get them roasted is over actual flames, not in the oven, because you really can't get that smoky flavor in the oven. Funny story is, in Germany all the stoves are electric because they understand they can be trusted with firepower. But in the US, most houses are made of wood, and of course, each house has a gas pipe going through the walls because freedom. Anyway, grill your eggplant on each side for about 2 minutes or until the skin starts to burn and crack. But don't forget about the bottom of the eggplant, it also needs some love, and by love I mean literal fire. Let them cool down a little, chop off the top, split it in half, and get rid of the seeds, and scrape all that smoky flesh. Let it drain in a colander for at least an hour, or as long as it takes to lose all the extra moisture. Add 4.5 tablespoons of tahini, that's roughly 35 grams. The juice of 1 lemon, which is about 22 ml. 2 crushed garlic cloves, but if you live in a place where people are still wearing masks and socially distancing, feel free to put as much garlic as you want. I like my moutabal smooth, so I'll use a hand blender. But if you like it chunky, you can use your hand, a masher, just a knife to chop it up, and mix it with a spoon. It will work. And I almost forgot about the salt. So yeah, salt to taste. Spread it on a plate and finish it with pomegranate pearls and chopped mint, and of course a drizzle of olive oil, or with some chopped parsley, a sprinkle of paprika, sumac, and a generous amount of olive oil. Serve it at room temperature. Eat it with some pita bread, unless it's the middle of the night and you're standing in front of your fridge, half awake and half hungry. In that case, and in that case only, you can eat it with a spoon. And most importantly, enjoy.
As promised, it's very easy to make and it's very delicious. I hope you make this at home, and if you do, please leave a comment. Just tell me how it came out. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section also. I'll always be here to help, and see you next time. Take care.